Venkat, Hemant, go on mute, Sergi. Put the heading of exchange rate. Note it down these steps, everyone. Check exchange rate type. And define translation ratio for currency translation. Just note it on the headings, okay? Then enter exchange rate. Note it down these three steps, everyone. Check exchange rate type. Define translation ratio for currency translation. Enter exchange rate. Noted, my dear students? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, Venkat.
Yes. Yes, everyone. Please join on time, everyone. Every day, 10 minutes wasting. So, my dear students, concentrated, everyone. What is the use? What is meant by exchange rate, everyone? Exchange rate means, anyone tell me what is meant by exchange rate? Exchange rate means, Hare Krishna. Anyone? Go ahead.
Comparing the one currency to another currency.
Very good. Excellent. Anyone?
Converting value.
Converting value. Yes.
The
Yes.
rate, the rate at which we convert the currency, be it dollar.
Note it down, everyone. Just for one word definition. Just exchange rate. Note it down. Just note it down. Just one word definition. Exchange rate means it is the rate between any two currencies. Exchange rate means it is the rate between any two currencies. Example, 1 USD equal to how many rupees? 1 USD equal to how many rupees? My dear students, concentrate here, everyone. Concentrate here. Guys, concentrate here. Listen carefully, everyone. For example, everyone, I'm posting one accounting entry. I'm posting one document entry. The entry is called rent account data to cash. Example, everyone. Listen, everyone. Focus. Go on mute. Listen. Just listen. Don't disturb the class in between. I will give you time to ask the questions. Please go on mute. Don't be in a hurry. Simply you can follow my words. Okay. During the listening the class, don't write. Don't do any other activities. Just listen. Listen my class. That's it. If you want 1 lakh rupee salary per month, if you want 1.5 lakh rupee salary per month, focus. That's it. No other option. My dear students, for example, everyone, rent account data to cash. This is one of the accounting entry. Amount is 10,000 and 10,000. Amount is 10,000 and 10,000. My dear students, my currency is called, document currency is called INR. Document currency is called INR. Or, for example, everyone, rent account data to cash, 10,000 and 10,000. For example, if you see the rent report, which currency it will update? INR currency. Why? Because I posted in INR. Even though, everyone, this rent report, I want to see INR currency and USD currency, even other currencies also. This rent report, I want to see INR currency, USD currency, SGD currency, blah, 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 many currencies in case if you want to see. Whenever after accounting entry posting, whenever you want to generate the reports, multiple currencies, that time system want to understand 1 USD equal to how many rupees, 1 euro equal to how many rupees, 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees. Why I am comparing with INR? Why I am comparing with INR? My local currency is INR, everyone. During the company code creation, I maintain my currency INR. That is called my local currency. That is the reason I am comparing with other currency to INR. 1 USD equal to how many rupees? INR, Indian rupees. 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal to how many rupees? Why I am comparing with local currency? Why? Because during the company code creation, I maintain my currency is called INR. Even if you post, my intention is if you post one accounting entry is reflected multiple currencies. Local currency, group currency and all. What is meant by group currency? What is meant by transaction currency? It will come later, everyone. Now you try to understand this way. Okay. What is meant by group currency? What is meant by hard currency? That different more discussions is required. Okay. But now you just understand in this way. Remaining things will come later. Don't be any hurry. So what is the exchange rate? Exchange rate means it is the rate between any two currencies. Local currency to other than local currency. Local currency to other than local currency. 1:1 methodology, everyone. What is meant by 1:1 methodology? We are comparing any two currencies. 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? 1 SGD equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal to how many rupees? Here 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. My dear students, concentrate here. So here example, everyone, I posted one accounting entry. Accounting entry is called rent account data to cash. So after accounting entry posting, even I want to generate the reports, INR currency, USD currency, even other currencies. So if you want to generate the reports, even other currency, background system want to calculate. For what base it can be calculated? The base is to maintain the exchange rate. My dear students, understood everyone? Yes, no, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my dear students, concentrate here. There is the 3 steps configuration, everyone. 3 steps configuration. Check exchange rate type. Here there is a standard, everyone. There is a standard. M is the average rate. Standard. SAP predefined. Not required to create new entry. It is on a standard. The next define translation ratio for currency translation. It is 1:1 methodology, everyone. 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. 1 USD equal to how many rupees? 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal to how many rupees? 1 GBP equal to how many rupees? 1 other currency equal to how many rupees? Blah blah. 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. The next step is everyone, enter exchange rate. Next step is enter exchange rate. Here 1 USD equal to how many rupees? 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal to how many rupees? 1 GBP equal to how many rupees? Great Britain pound equal to how many rupees and all. Let us do the configuration, everyone. Let us do the configuration. One second. Let's open my system, everyone. SAP. One second. Everyone, the first one. First one, everyone. What is the first one, my dear students? What is the first one? The first one is called check exchange rate type. So here M is the standard, everyone. Here not required to create anything. Just check it out. M is there or not. M means average rate. What is meant by average rate? One currency equal to how many currencies? One Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? One Britain pound equal to how many rupees? One USD equal to how many rupees? Like that. Why I'm always comparing to rupees? Why? Because rupees is my local currency. During the company code creation, I maintained rupees, INR, Indian rupees. Okay. So what is the path? This is the path, everyone. SPRO, SAP NetWeaver, general setting, currency, check exchange rate type. Check exchange rate type, everyone. Very simple, my dear students. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, select here everyone. Instead of NetWeaver, go to ABAP platform, and here general setting, and here currency, and here check exchange rate type. This one, everyone. Check exchange rate type, define translation ratio for currency translation, enter exchange rate. Exchange rate. So how I can see the T code? Go to additional information, display keys, IMG activities. Last 4 digit is the T code. Here OB07. Here OBBS. Here enter exchange rate OB08. OB08, everyone. So my dear students, concentrate here. First one, check exchange rate type. Check exchange rate type. You just double click on this execute button. Double click on this execute button. Here M is the standard, everyone. M is the standard. Standard means what? Average rate. P is the standard for the planning. Cost planning will come on the CO, everyone. That time we will discuss. Cost plannings will come on CO. Okay, not required now. Now here M means average rate. This is the standard. You not required to create anything. Even real time also we follow same thing, everyone. Click on here, save and back. The next one, define translation ratio for currency translation. Here 1:1 methodology, everyone. 1:1 methodology. 1 USD currency equal to how many rupees? 1 euro equal to how many rupees? 1 Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? Here 1:1 methodology. You need to maintain defined translation ratio for currency translation. So you just double click on this execute button. Click on here yes, and click on your new entry. Exchange rate type means M. Then from USD to INR. Today, date is today. Ratio 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. 1 USD equal to how many rupees? The next one, M euro, EUR equal to how many rupees? And today 1:1 methodology. Again, M SGD Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees? 1:1 methodology. Then M GBP British pound INR, then 1:1 methodology. Press enter. Like this, you have to maintain a lot. Guys, can you please note it down this? My dear students, note it down. Please note it down, everyone. And everyone, noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Click on your save and back. The next one is very, very important one. Enter exchange rate. Enter exchange rate. So you just double click on this execute button, everyone. I'm repeating once again. Check exchange rate type. First step is check exchange rate type. Is called standard M. The next one is called define translation ratio for currency translation. Here we want to maintain 1:1 methodology. The next one, enter exchange rate. Exchange rate. Guys, can you open Google? You just double click on this execute button. In case if you want to understand more information, what is meant by exchange rate, just to go through this document. In case if you want to understand what is meant by exchange rate, just go through this document. You will understand more. And here, in case if you want to enter exchange rate, double click on this execute button and click on your new entry. Click on your new entry. For example, exchange rate type M and valid today and from USD 1 USD equal to how many INRs? How many everyone? How much everyone? Today, how much rate? 1 USD equal to how many rupees?
83.80.
Make it as a 83. Enter. And M today and here SGD and INR. Tell me everyone, Singapore dollar equal to how many rupees?
64.
64 rupees. Enter. Next again M today EUR Europe to INR. How many rupees?
93. 93.
93. Enter. And M today and this one GBP. How many rupees everyone?
110.
110, huh? Hare Krishna. 110. Okay. So like this, you have to maintain multiple, note it down everyone for your understanding purpose. Better note it down, my dear students. Based on this exchange rate, the system will generate the report for different currencies. Done, sir. Hare Krishna. Done. Fast, everyone. Click on here, save and back. I'm going back, everyone. Done.
Done, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Click on here, save and back. Note it on one note, everyone. Note it on one note. Note it on one note. During the practicing, SAP, exchange rate we want to maintain manually. Everyone, very important, everyone. Please focus. During the SAP practice, exchange rate, T code OB08, want to maintain manually. Full stop. Next line, note it down. Next line, note it down. In the real time, based on the ABAP program update, based on the ABAP program update, exchange rate update automatically. Exchange rate update automatically. In the real time, full stop, next line, full stop, next line. In the real time, not possible to maintain exchange rate manually. Why? Because exchange rate fluctuating every day. Exchange rate fluctuating every day. Changing the rate every day, everyone. Sometimes maybe every day. Yeah, fine. Next line, note it down. As a functional consultant, functional consultant means FICO consultant, MM consultant, like that. As a functional consultant, weekly once or monthly once, weekly once or monthly once, we want to verify the exchange rate on T code OB08. We want to verify the exchange rates on T code OB08, updating correctly or not. Reading correctly or not. Okay. Everyone, I'm repeating once again, everyone. Concentrate here, my dear students. Basically, this step, everyone. Which step? Enter exchange rate step, everyone. Enter exchange rate. Enter exchange rate. OB08. During the practicing purpose, here we need to maintain manually. But in the real time, these exchange rates will update automatically based on the ABAP program, maybe from the internet or from any other third-party tool. This step will update automatically. So as a functional consultant, weekly once, monthly once, or day by day, based on your team lead suggestion. So you people come to this T code, double click on this execute button. Here you need to verify all the things based on the date wise, all exchange rate is updating properly or not. In case if you find any mistakes, you need to inform to the ABAPer. Let's check the code and all. Okay, this is the exchange rate, everyone. I'm repeating one more thing, my dear students. One more thing. Note it down. Put the star and note it down. Put the star and note it down. Everyone, put the star and note it down. One point, everyone. Exchange rate at client level. Exchange rate at client level. It means if one user maintain the exchange rate, it can be applicable for all the company codes. All the users are all company codes. We got this point, everyone? You understood this point? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, can anyone please read the note? Remaining people check it out. All the note.
Yes. During the practicing SAP exchange rate, we want to maintain manually the real time based on the ABAP program. Update exchange rate update automatically. In the real time, not possible to maintain exchange rate manually because exchange rate fluctuating every day. As functional consultant, weekly once or monthly once, we want to verify the exchange rate. On T code OB08, updating correctly or not.
08.
Sorry, T code OB08, updating correctly or not. Important point, exchange rate at client level, it means if one user maintain the exchange rate, it can be applicable to all the users.
All the company codes.
All the company codes.
Yeah. All the users or all company codes, whatever. It means company codes. It's a company code. Yeah. Everyone, concentrate here. Questions, please. Questions. Go ahead, questions. Everyone, questions, please.
Our company and company code both are in India only, na? Then we need to do this exchange rate.
Hare Krishna, come again.
Our local currency and group currency both are in INR only. Na? Then also we need to do this exchange rate.
Yes, very required. In case if you want to generate the reports in other currencies, yes, system want to throw. For example, everyone, do one thing. Here you catch the point here. Here you can not local currency, group currency. For example, everyone, I will tell you. For example, listen careful. My company code, I will post the accounting entries at company code level. My company code located India. Here I maintain the currency INR. I have one vendor, everyone. I have one vendor. Which vendor? He is from China. Everyone, he is from China. For example, he is my vendor, everyone. Where it is located? My vendor is located in China. So I am purchasing. I am doing the purchasing. I am doing the purchasing from China vendor. I am doing the purchasing China vendor. So my currency is INR. My vendor currency is Yanam or China currency. So here, system want to generate the reports, China currencies, then as well as INR currencies. Agree or not? Yes or no? For example, everyone, for example, I am in my company code located in India. My customer in USD, Singapore, America, US. In US, which currency? USD. But I am INR. I am INR, everyone. So when I am doing the sales, to American customer. So my currency is INR. My customer currency is USD. The system want to tell 1 INR equal to how many rupees? Okay, system want to generate the reports INR and as well as USD. Agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For example, everyone, in case, sir, I don't want to generate the reports. I will do my company code in India. I am doing the business only in India. Even I am generating the reports only in INR. I don't generate reports other currencies. I don't do the business in other currencies. I am in India. I will do business only in India. Is this possible to maintain exchange rate? Not required. Not required. Whenever you are doing the business within India or India to other country also, whenever you are doing the business transaction within India, then other than India, then currency will going to change. Then exchange rate is involved. Whenever you generate the reports INR, then other than INR, then exchange rate is involved. Got it? Got it, my dear friend?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next one. Next question.
Sir, this configuration is used for reporting purpose only, or we can use it for transactions also?
Sir, what I told you, na, sir. Why you asking like this? I already told you, na, sir. Vendor means document entry posting, na.
Okay.
Vendor document entry posting, customer document entry posting, reports. I already told you, na, sir. Maybe you are not listening the class. You are thinking different way.
One more thing, sir. You told me ABAPer need to get a program for this automatically updation in the real-time basis. So, what is the role of FI consultant? Is there any involvement of FI functional consultant in that program?
That will come later, sir. How to approach the ABAPer? What is meant by FS and all that will come on project class. Okay, not required. Now you try to understand how to maintain the exchange rate. What is meant by exchange rate? Then later, during the accounting entry posting, how it will be reflected. During the reports, how it will be reflected. Now our target is how to maintain the exchange rate, everyone. Later, this exchange rate, how it can be reflected during the document entry posting. Later, report generation. Later, how to approach the ABAPer, what is the project and all. Everything won't cover one day, my dear friends. Please, everyone. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Next one. Go ahead, Vani ma'am. Go ahead.
Sir, as a functional consultant, we will verify the exchange rates, right, from the T code OB08. So how we will verify, sir, if it's correct or not?
I will verify means your client will give you one list, madam. Based on that, one list will give you each day how much thing want to update. Some Excel or PDF they will share you. Based on that, accordingly, you want to verify.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, what is that one-to-one methodology? I can't understand that, sir.
Anyone? What is meant by one-to-one methodology, everyone? Anyone?
Yeah.
Standard.
Guys, anyone?
$1, 1 INR equals how much?
I will tell you one thing. For example, um, I can do the friendship only with you. Means it is 1:1 methodology. Then I can do the friendship you and other ones also. It means 1:n methodology. I will do the friendship you and as well as others. 1:n methodology. I will do the friendship only for you. 1:1 methodology. Got it? My point. Simple terminology. So whenever you are comparing the value, only one currency to other currency, 1:1 methodology. You are comparing the value, same rate for applicable for other currencies also, 1:n methodology. Got it? Simple terminology. Hare Krishna, got it? Yes, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Note it down. Next one, note it down, everyone. Define exchange rate. Define exchange rate. Differences for company code. Company code global parameters. Define exchange rate. Differences for company code. Company code global parameters. Note it down these two steps, everyone. Done, sir? Noted?
Done.
Done? So, my dear students, concentrate here, everyone. Listen careful. You just read this point carefully, everyone. You just read this point carefully. Define maximum exchange rate differences. What is meant by tolerance, everyone? Anyone? Tolerance means?
Top limits.
Sacrifice the value.
Tolerance means sacrifice the value. Means tolerance means there we will set up one limit. So during the payment accounting entry posting, up to that limit, we are going to sacrifice the value. More than that limit, system cannot allow. Same to same, everyone. Same to same. Here, any exchange rate difference, here also we will maintain one percentage. Any exchange rate differences up to that percentage, then system can accept it. More than that, system cannot accept it. Why? Because exchange rate every day it will going to fluctuating. Sometimes some values will going to differ. So here we will maintain one percentage. Up to that percentage, exchange rate differences. System will allow. More than that, system cannot allow. More than that, system cannot allow. Similar to tolerance, everyone. I'm repeating once again, my dear students, for my satisfaction. Listen careful. What is meant by tolerance? Tolerance means sacrifice the value. So tolerance means we will maintain one limit. We will maintain one limit. Any payment differences up to that limit, system can accept. More than that limit, system cannot accept. Similar way, exchange rate differences. Here also we will maintain one limit based on our client confirmation. Here also we will maintain at one limit. Up to that limit, any exchange rate differences, system can accept it. More than that limit, system cannot accept it. During the postings and reports also. Everyone got it, my point? Yes, no, okay? Hare Krishna. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Be active, everyone. Maybe sleeping. Go to OB64. Everyone here, how to maintain OB64. Enter. Then click on your position. Click on your position. What is your company code? Company code is JB11. Here you can maintain the maximum exchange rate differences. Maximum exchange rate differences. Here we will maintain one limit. To that limit, system can allow. More than that limit, system cannot allow. I'm repeating once again, everyone. I'm repeating once again. Concentrate. Listen carefully, everyone. Go to OB64 T code. Press enter. Then click on your position. Position. Company code JB11. Enter. And here everyone, maximum exchange rate difference. For example, everyone, I will ask one question. In case if I want to understand more information about this field, what can I do?
Press F1.
Press F1. If you press F1, here system will says more information. Here you can see this one. Here you can read this one. Possible exchange rate deviation for postings in the foreign currency. Postings in the foreign currency. Press F1. It will tell more details. Okay. Click on here. For example, I maintain 10%. Here also 10%. Two company codes. Maximum exchange rate difference. Click on here. Save and back. The next one, everyone. Company code global parameters. Company code global parameters. What is meant by company code global parameters? My dear students, example, everyone. Example, what is my company code? My company code is called JB11. Hare Krishna. 1 second, everyone. Concentrate here, everyone. Listen careful. My dear students, concentrate here. So, what is my company code? My company code is called JB11 and JB12 also. JB12 also. For example, for this company code, what is the global parameters I maintain? I want to verify. What is my chart of accounts? What is my posting period? What is my field status? What is my group of company? What is my like this one, credit control area? I want to verify this. So I am unable to go each step and verify, right? I am unable to go each step and verify. Then where I can see for specific company code all the details. Specific company code, all the details. For example, you are the guy listening the class from first class onwards. You know what is for this company code, what is the chart of accounts, what is the field status variant, what is meant by other things. Example, for example, some one person, some XYZ person, Karan joined is a new person. He joined the class in today. Example. He joined the class in today. So he don't know for this company code what global parameters we maintain. What is the chart of account for this company code? What is the chart of accounts? What is the field status variant? He don't know. Then how we can verify? So he unable to go each step and he will not possible to verify now. Then where we can see all the details at one step. So guys, are you following? Yes, no?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Go to OBY6, everyone. This is the T code. Go to OBY6 to verify specific company code, all the details, all global parameter details. Go to OBY6, enter, click on your position, enter here your specific company code. What is the company code? JJ11. Sorry, Hare Krishna. What is company code? JB11. JB11, everyone. So you just double click on this JB11. Here you see. Here you can find out, everyone. This is my company code. This is my company code located in Tirupati. My currency India, country India, currency INR. I'm following English language. See, chart of accounts, company code, credit control area, FM area, physical year, then field status, posting period variant, maximum exchange rate deviation. Just now I maintained this. Just now I maintained. Did you remember? Maximum exchange rate deviation. Just now I maintain. Okay. So here you can highlight some more. Negative posting permitted. Manage posting periods. Negative posting permitted means what? In case I do not have any stock, but even though I want to post one inventory invoice for testing purpose, then negative posting permitted. Business area wise financial statement and proposed fiscal year. Currently you select this business area wise financial statement, profit and loss account and balance sheet and all. Then physical year for the business area. Everyone click on your save and back. The next one, everyone, I'm repeating once again, my dear students. Go to OBY6, enter, click on your position, company code, one more company code also there, na? JB12, and this is the details, everyone. This is the company code, JB Cement Limited, located in Vizag, country India, currency INR, language English. What is chart of accounts, company code, credit control area, FM area, fiscal year, all the details will update. So some more radio buttons you can activate. Remaining things will come later. Click on here, save and back. Everyone, we have some more global parameters, everyone. What is that? Document type and number ranges. So document type and number ranges will come later, everyone. Here, where, here it will come. Document type and number ranges will come later. Okay. Document type number ranges will come later. SAP document type and number ranges. Not required now. Global parameters, everyone. Let's observe the practice material, everyone. Before going to that, let's observe the practice material. Practice material. Where it is? Materials, where it is, everyone?
It is besides of that Word document, RSMB, nice.
RSMB, ma'am.
Last word, second line, second row.
Thank you, ma'am. Here. For example, let's observe, everyone. Observe the practice material, my dear students. So first one, exchange rate type. M is the standard, everyone. M is the standard. Here M is the standard. You are not required to change anything. Example, some other exchange rates also there. B for bank selling rate. P for planning. Okay. And M is for average rate. It's a standard. The next one, OBBS. This is not an error, everyone. When you double click on this execute button and this pop-up will come, this is not an error. Just click on here, yes. Here 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. Okay. Then here exchange rate type M, 1 USD to INR. Then enter the date, 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology means the rate can be applicable USD to INR. Rate can be applicable, say, Britain pound to INR, like that. This date, 1:1 methodology. Then one more, T code is called OB08. Here you want to maintain the exchange rate. 1 USD equal to how many INRs? 1 SGD equal to how many INR? 1 euro equal to how many INRs? This is the rate, everyone. And M means exchange rate. Date means today date, like that you want to maintain. This is the T code, everyone. Okay. When you come to here, define maximum exchange rate per company code. So here we will maintain 1%. Any exchange rate differences up to this percentage, system can accept it. More than this percentage, system cannot accept it. It is similar to tolerance, everyone. The next one, company code global parameters. So here for specific company code, T code is called OB08, and this is the path. And here specific T code, you can verify what details we maintain and all. What is the global parameters and all we maintain. Okay. So this is the details, everyone. One more, all the global parameters, practice material, everyone. This is global parameters, practice material. Okay. So my dear students, one more thing is there, document type and number ranges. That will come later, everyone. That will come later. Note it down. Any questions? Questions, everyone?
Venkat, hi, I had a question.
Go ahead, madam.
Yeah. I was working as end user for SAP. Recently, I have encountered this. When I was posting in document entry, I had to enter, I had to post the amount above 10 lakhs, I think, but the system did not allow me to post. Then I have raised the request like I'm unable to post. This is the error I'm getting. So I just wanted to know whether that comes under this tolerance level
Tolerance.
or level or
Yes,
something.
yes. Answer is yes, madam.
Okay, thank you, Venkat.
They will change employee tolerance value per document.
That's what they might have given this tolerance group also, but we left blank that
Yes.
yes.
See, for my system, in practicing system, multiple students are using practice, madam. For that thing, you can assign for your user, it will face other company code facing the issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good understanding, madam.
Thank you.
The next one, ma'am, go ahead.
Sir, this one exchange rate at client level means it will be applicable for all the company codes. This one, can you please explain, sir?
Yes, that one. For example, any activity client level means what? For these changes if anyone do these changes, it can be applicable for all company codes. Irrespective of company, group of company code, it will be this changes applicable for everyone, for all company codes. Any changes, if you do any changes applicable for all company codes, then that is called client level changes or global level changes, like that.
Okay, sir. So if, for example, if we want to change only for a particular company code, will that be possible,
Not possible.
sir?
Not possible, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sometimes everyone, for example, you and everyone, you and me using in same system. Example, in case you and me using same system, so I maintain exchange rate, right? So in case if you also try to maintain exchange rate, system will throw out the error message. Exchange rate already exists or exchange rate already maintained, like that. Got it, my point? For
Yes,
example,
sir.
yes, madam. Yeah. Everyone, put the heading of new GL concepts, everyone. Put the heading of new GL. Put the heading of new GL. Note it down one by one. The first one is called document splitting. First one is called document splitting. Next one is called parallel accounting. First one is called document splitting. Second one is called parallel accounting. Third one is called profit center and segmenting reporting. Profit center and segment reporting. Fourth one is called FICO reconciliation. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow onwards, the new GL concepts, everyone. Okay,
Okay,
don't miss classes, everyone. For example, if you attend any interview, for global parameters, minimum 1 or 2 questions, everyone. Minimum 1, maximum 2 questions they will ask global parameters. For the new GL concepts, they must ask 2 questions, everyone. Any 2 questions. 2 questions they will ask. Okay, of course, then after some time, even I will give you interview question and answers also. For example, everyone, listen careful. Everyone, concentrate here, my dear students. For example, let us assume, for example, if you go to any examination centers, everyone, if you go to any examination center, better you can interview of 2 persons. You can interview of 2 persons, 2 students. One student says paper is very easy. One student says question paper is very hard. One student says question paper is very easy. One student says question paper is very hard. But I says question paper is never hard. Question paper is never easy. Questions, that is just for the questions. Why there are people, some people says very easy, some people says very hard, means if the students know the answer, they feel like a very easy. If student does not know the answer, they feel like a very hard. Similar way, everyone, if you attend any interview, there is no tough questions, there is no easy questions. That is just like a question, that's it. If you know the answer, you feel very easy. If you don't know answer, then you feel very tough. Got it, my point? So that is the reason we want to prepare more. We want to prepare more, everyone. For example, everyone. For example, my dear students, I will tell you. For example, if any interviewer will ask any question, everyone. Example, interviewer will ask the question, explain about field status variant. Explain about field status. Any question he will ask. Example, explain about field status. How you can answer? The answer is, first you have to give the definition. What is meant by field status variant? Then later you want to tell how to create the field status. What is the configuration steps? Configuration steps. Every day you are noting, na? Every day you are writing for each topic wise, you are writing the steps, field status configuration steps, and posting period configuration steps. Every day you are writing. So at least you have to tell configuration steps, everyone. Configuration steps. Then if it is possible, even you can tell how to create field status. In this configuration steps, you have to explain. What is the configuration? Define field status variant with field status group. So there is a different groups. Example G001, 2, 3, 4 and all. There we can go based on the client confirmation. We are going to highlight required surplus option. Then this group we are going to assign the GL master. Based on the GL master, these changes will applicable during the accounting entry posting. Like that, you want to tell. First, any question, everyone. For example, everyone, interviewer will ask, explain about posting period. Posting period. Example, interviewer will ask posting period, everyone. Interviewer will ask posting period. How you can explain? For any questions, first you need to explain definition. Later, configuration steps also you need to explain. Just imagine how much hard work you required. Everyone, you want 2 lakh rupees salary per month? Last batch, one student is there, everyone. In India, our Punnam IT, in India, highest packages around 22 lakhs to 23 lakhs, everyone. Including variables, 23 lakhs. The fixed is 22 lakhs. Maximum, I'm telling, maximum. Just imagine how much hard work he did, how much subject knowledge he gained. Okay. But 9 lakh, 10 lakh, this is the common, everyone. Common packages in India, 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakhs, common packages. Make one history. For example, who cracked the job 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakhs. Sometimes maybe I'm forgetting their names, but who cracked very big package, then I will always remember, okay, he is my student, this much of package. Basically, who cracked this highest package up to now, he is not a man, he is a woman actually. She's a woman. She's staying in Bangalore. Everyone, you never imagine, everyone. Basically, she's a married woman, my dear students. She's take care of her family. She's take care of her job. She's also doing as an end user and all. She's doing her job, and every day she's listening class. Accordingly, she's doing practice. She cracked highest package, everyone. Just imagine, my dear student, how much hard work she did. How much hard work she did. Her take care of her family, current job, and attending the class, practicing. Finally, she did very good packages. Everyone, for the inspiration, not required to read any other books. Check in your surroundings. Lot of inspirable persons is there. I always remember her name entire my life. How much hard work she did. Kindly, I'm saying, everyone, I'm again and again, I'm requesting my dear students, don't say I do not have time. No, that is in Thakur movie. Did you remember in Telugu movie? There is a one dialogue. Telugu bhashalo నాకు నచ్చని ఒకే ఒక్క padam, like that. In English language, I'm not interested that word. I do not have time. That is rubbish word. I'm truly telling, we are not a Narendra Modi, or we are not a Chandrababu Naidu, or we are not a Revant Reddy, or not. We are not a Sundar Pichai, or we are not others. We are just for normal people. We have lot of time. Just plan your time, everyone. Plan your time. Plan your time. Okay, plan your time, my dear students. If you are feel bad, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for these words. But plan your time. Every day do practice. Maybe after some days, I will share interview question and answers also. Why only one company? Create 2 or 3 companies. Practice uh, multiple times and read interview question and answers every day. And this is the one plan, everyone. Plan this 5 months accordingly. Okay. If you know the subject, then job will come. If you don't know subject, job never come. Simple answer. Sir, is this 100% placement? Not possible. If you know the subject, job will come accordingly. If you don't know subject, how job will come, everyone? My dear students, uh, don't feel bad about my words. Everyone is the great person. My intention is everyone must want to practice. Read interview question and answers. Do analysis. For example, everyone, today I explained exchange rate, everyone. After my class, spend 10 to 15 minutes of time. Let us do your own analysis. For example, yesterday I explained tolerance. After the class, at least you can analyze what is meant by tolerance. You are listening the class. You are doing the practice. You are watching recording session. Again, you can do Google it. You can use Chat GPT. Then take pen and paper, note it down what you understood. Note it down, everyone. Do more analysis. Then only job will come, everyone. Just simply doing the practice, no, that is not correct. Today, any topic I explained. After that, first listen the class carefully. In case if you have doubts, again you can see the recording session. Every day we record the class and uploading the drive now. Again watch. Then later you can Google it. Use Chat GPT. Finally, what you understood, take pen and paper and note it down. In case interviewer will ask what I want to express, note it down. This is the practice. Practice means just enter the inputs, click on your save. That is not a practice. That is part of the practice. That's it. If you want 2 lakh rupees salary per month, if you want 1.5 lakh rupees salary per month, everyone, there is no other way. Only way is SAP. Whatever subject you are learning, focus more, learn more, analyze more. Then your life will going to change. No, sir, I do not have time. I'm doing this work, that work, this work. Then I do not have no words, everyone. Kindly practice more, analyze more. Say yes, no, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. We'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Yes.